Well done, guys. Welcome to Software Design. Today, I want to teach you how you can remove background in Canva. So, from Canva here, let's go head over to Canva. Let's see the workspace. Let's wait for it to load. So, from here, we'll have click on Create, and then want to upload. Click on Upload. So, upload file. Note this is for a pro. This is for pro Canva. So from here, let's go to download. Select. We have 3 pictures of Kopama. Open. So from here, as it's opening, look at the upload going here. 1, 2, 3. Then select the one that is done. Open. Then come to these 3 dots here. Click on it. Click on edit image. And when you click on edit image, you come to BG remover. That is background remover. From this background remover, you see it is flawless. It doesn't affect your picture. Then you click download from here. Let's go over again with the other picture. Yes, this is the action picture which is moving. Then come to this 3 dots. Come to edit image. The editing of this image, you wait a bit. You see background remover here. You can also, when you click background, there are other features as well. Look at, you can, this one, you color grade it a bit for it to give it that vibrance. So from here you download it. Let's go over to the last but not the least. Let's discard this one, then go back. This is the last one. Go over again and click on edit image, and just click on BG remover from here, and then you see it. Let's use this. No, it's too much. Let's undo the process. Go back, we'll undo it. Then click on download here. For instance, you have, like, let's say 20 to 30 pictures to remove background. You'll not be removing one. So Canva is just the best way to remove your background faster. So if you like more of our tutorials like this, subscribe for more updates. We'll see you in our next class. Thank you.